Hey everybody, it's Josh from Walnut Ridge. This week I'm going to talk about something a little different. I'm not going to go over some maintenance stuff, but I am going to talk about getting prepared for the maintenance stuff. It's mid-late January right now currently when we're making this video, and we're already booked up through most of February. We're starting to book into March, and this week, next week, with between shows, and we have the Boat Sport and Travel Show coming up, that service schedule will continue to just be booked. And before you know it, we're going to be booked out into early spring, and then it's going to be very difficult to get an appointment. So point of this video this week is to talk about start making your plans now. You've got spring coming up, spring break coming up. A lot of people take camping trips early in the year, head somewhere warm, get away from the winter blues, at least in our area. And so now's the time to start thinking about that. If you want to get in, it'd be a good time to get online to our website, make an appointment. You can see what's available in there. If you have questions on some stuff that maybe you need to do to get ready to go camping, you could call and talk to one of the service riders. Keep in mind, it is still very busy for us right now with a lot of calls. So sometimes, it might take a little bit to get that answer. These guys are working really hard this winter, trying to take care of everybody's stuff from the end of season last year. But a couple of quick things I'll go over. We do have maintenance packages. It's a real easy way to get something ready for the spring. It's just to pick one of these packages. It'll kind of cover the basics that you need to have done and get ready to go camping. We also have wash packages. These things sit all winter. Nobody's out there washing in the ice and snow. It's hard to do that. We haven't had a lot of snow, but it's very cold. So we do offer the wash packages. Again, we're going to need to make appointments for that, but that's a little easier appointment to get in, as we can send it to our detail department, get that clean, get the unit cleaned up for you and ready to go camping. So just a friendly reminder, now's the time to start thinking about it. I know it's cold and you don't think about camping, but this is the time to think about it, so you'll have it ready to go for your first trip, and hopefully don't have to miss out on any of those great family memories that you're going to build this summer. So give us a call. We are busy, but give us a call. We'd like to get you in here and get some work done on your camper and have you ready to go. Thanks.